up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a gigantic Louis haul. Just kidding. This is a gigantic bag filled with a ton of Shein stuff. I'm so excited to bring this video for you guys. I have been like waiting to open everything and play with everything and like set up everything in my drawers and stuff, but I really wanted to get this video out before. I had promised you guys the Shein haul like a little while ago with like clothing items and things like that, but I feel like you guys might like the jewelry a little bit more, so I picked up a couple of things, like 30 whatevs. But I wanted to share that with you guys today, so if you guys are interested, please do continue watching. Also, before you go, make sure you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with like everything in my life that I do, because I share it all. So the first things that I want to share with you guys are the two clothing items that I did get. I'm super excited about this because I'm literally obsessed with this dress. It is gorgeous. I'm going to insert a picture of me like trying it on for you guys, but it's just this really pretty like peach with this like nice teal blue and pink little fluff. It's like a wrap dress. It's really cute. I literally had to Google how to put it on, but if you guys don't know how to wear like a wrap dress or anything like that, usually there's a little slit in the side of one half of the dress or whatever it is you have, like a shirt or something. You slide the little string through and it just completely cinches it and you're good to go. It's a great summer dress, nice for like a baby shower or like just a nice family barbecue or a birthday party in the summertime, so I really love that one. The next one that I got is this guy right here. So this is actually like a one shoulder dress. It's cinched at the waist. It looks humongous, but it looks really nice on. So I love this. This one is also really good for barbecues and just little outings in the backyard or like at a family's house. Well, we're all kind of like quarantined right now, so maybe not for a barbecue, but like maybe like a barbecue with your own family that you're like stuck with. You might as well look cute, right? And why not? For the gram. But those are the two clothing items that I did pick up, and I really love them. I can't wait to wear them. I'm probably gonna wear them one of these days. Everybody's birthday is literally in the summertime, so I don't know if you guys see this gigantic clothing rack right here. Literally, I had everybody's birthday outfits that I was gonna wear planned, and now it's all just sitting there, and then these ones are just added into the pile, so there's that. What else? It's fine. Everything's fine. The next thing that I did get was a couple of kitchen items. I've been in the kitchen a lot recently, so I'm super excited about these. I picked up this heart-shaped ice cube tray for absolutely no reason whatsoever, besides the fact that I want heart ice. Super cute. I was between this one and a star one, but I think the star one was sold out when I was looking, but I'll definitely have everything linked down below so you guys can see where I got things. And if you guys like any of these items specifically, you guys can get your hands on them. The next thing that I got is this little whale. Basically what you do with this is you put it on the pot. Like if you're doing pasta or something, you put it on like the pot, you hold it, and then you just strain it out, and it strains out everything while keeping everything in the pot, which is cool. I drain a lot of noodles, I make a lot of pasta, so I thought that was fun. Alright guys, so I think that should be a little better. I was on the floor before, but now I'm sitting up because this is gonna be a little lengthy video, so I want to get comfortable. The next kitchen item that I did pick up was this guy right here. So this is actually something that if you are draining water or, you know, whatever the case is, you can actually attach this little silicone to the side of your pot, and then you can like pour out water and it won't be like going everywhere. It'll just come through this. It's like a little funnel to like pour things out of, which I liked. I picked them up because I felt like they were like really essential and just things that I'm gonna definitely make use of in the kitchen. The next kitchen thing that I got is this little flower. It's gonna look like a daisy when you're using it. But this is an egg separator. So you actually crack the egg right inside. It holds the yolk and all of the white kind of drips out. And then it looks like a little fun daisy. So I love that. I was super excited about that because sometimes I'll make like drinks and things like that that don't require the egg yolk. So I need something to kind of separate it. So the next thing that I got, I was so excited about because it is so me. I'm just obsessed. I had all intentions of wearing this in the summertime when I went out to like day parties or like the club or like the mile or something. It's a beautiful, beautiful like rectangle bag. I'm obsessed with this. And it just opens up like a little packet of cigarettes. I love that. How cute is that? You could fit like just your essentials in here, like a little card case, which I usually carry, a lipstick, maybe like a little mirror, your car keys, and that's it. It does come with this little chain strap, and I just love this. It fits really nicely. I'll show you guys. Let me go back a little bit. But this looks so cute. I'm obsessed with it. Are you kidding me? It's so nice. It fits really nicely on the hip. And you can quickly open it up and grab whatever you need. And lock it back, and it's like magnetic. The next things that I got are so exciting. I'm gonna do like a vlog, just kind of like doing it. But I picked up these tattoos, and they are 3 different versions. So this one is a little tiger with some flowers on it. Love that. I was thinking like they're like sleeve tattoos. So you just put it and then it's gonna like fit on your entire sleeve. I cannot wait to do these. I'm so excited. I definitely need help doing these though. And the next one that I got is another tiger, but he is now in like plants and like, I guess cotton. I don't know what that is, like dandelions, I don't know. But he's just hiding in like the little bushes. So fun. And then the next one I got, I'm obsessed with, is this beautiful girl. She has like the Shein sticker in the middle of her face, but such a pretty one. I love this. I think I might do this like on my upper arm maybe. Very cute. Or even like my forearm. I think that would be fun. So I just got these. I don't know, I just figured, you know, why not? It's definitely something to do, so I'm excited. The next thing that I got are these little like palettes, I guess you can say. I got them because when I'm doing makeup and I'm doing my like cake liners, the Suva ones, if you guys know, you mix that with water. So I figured this would be fun to like, if I want to mix like fun different colors, I can add a little bit of the different colors in here and mix them up with the water, and then I'll have like its own little mixing dish. So I thought that was really cool instead of like mixing it in the cap of the liners. The next things that I got were super fun. I really wasn't like going on there to like buy these. I didn't even think about it until I saw them and I was just like, why not? I picked up these sticker packs. I actually really love stickers. I'm hella into like putting stickers on everything. My laptop is filled with stickers, so I figured this would be really cool, and like my notebooks and things like that. So I got the 3 different packs. I will insert a little clip of me showing you guys every single sticker that's in here and kind of speed it up a little bit, and I'll tell you guys the names of the packs as well. But I'm really excited about these. The only thing is, with one of them, these 2 are matte, which I love, and this one is actually like a glossy kind of finish. That's why you can't even really see it, because it's like reflecting the light, while these ones aren't. There you go. But this one is like a glossy finish and this one is a matte finish. I really like the matte version, so I'll tell you guys in the description below and on the screen which one is which when I show you guys them, so just so you know. So now we have all of the jewelry. I'm so happy. Recently, I've been extremely into earrings, and I don't know why. I've just been like on an earring binge buy. So I picked up a ton of earrings. So Shein literally is the place if you want like really fun statement earrings and just fun earrings in general. I am obsessed. The first set that I have are these like gorgeous gemstone sets. Look at that, you guys. How beautiful are these? I actually wore these in a recent picture on my Instagram, so if you guys have not seen it, go ahead and check out my Instagram. I'm obsessed. I love these. I use these with like an Indian outfit. They have a lot of like really awesome jewelry that you can actually pair with your Indian outfits on the website. I have these beautiful ones. This is what they look like. How gorgeous. The next one that I got is this beautiful one right here. I am so happy about this one because I don't know if you guys know, I'm a huge evil eye person. I absolutely freaking love evil eye things. I actually have on evil eye earrings right now, but girl, how freaking beautiful is that? Are you kidding me? I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this set. It is like one of my favorites. I think this is my favorite set that I bought. The next set that I did get was kind of similar to the last, but they're just different colors. This is what the other set looks like. It's a lighter color and it actually has a pearl, and compared to the other one, this one is like a black. The next one that I got are actually these beautiful ones. They're just like a really nice pair of hoops and it has the pearls inside. That is gonna look so pretty on. I'm obsessed. And look at the eye up close. It looks so nice. It looks so real. It's kind of like has this like I don't know what it's called, resin maybe? I might be making that up, but it just looks so pretty. The next one that I got is actually like a really pretty, it's a very different kind of earring design. This one looks like that. So it is an evil eye. It is like a little bit dangly. It has this little, I guess a teardrop you can say, since it's an eye. But that looks so pretty. I love that. Oh, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. The next evil eye piece has to be my freaking favorite. Besides the studs, this is like my favorite hanging earring with the evil eye. You guys are gonna die. You're gonna die. I'm gonna die wearing these because they're so heavy, but they're beautiful. Oh my god, you guys. I cannot. I know, I'm like horrible at describing things, but this, like, I'm speechless. I'm speechless. I don't even know how. It's just, I'm gonna get so many compliments. I'm so excited. The next earrings that I got were these really pretty, I guess they're kind of like yin-yang earrings, I want to say. I don't know if that's what they would be called, but they are beautiful. Look at that. So gorgeous. Very, very pretty. I feel like I want to wear them all at once. Alright, the next set that I have is this really pretty, it's kind of like an ear jacket. I just really liked it. It was very simple. So definitely the opposite of everything else that I have. Just this really simple little circle and, I don't know, I don't want to say moon, but like a little half circle. And it's just gonna be a nice simple earring for just kind of like every day, nothing too fancy. I love that. The next one I love, and I actually got this because it reminded me of like a Louis Vuitton earring, the V earrings that they have. And it's not like completely the same, but I guess you can wear it like as a dupe. But these ones, they're so pretty. I actually really love the V's. I think they're really, really nice. The next ones are a little out there. I kind of expected the color to be a little different. I don't remember what they look like online. I'll put a picture. But these ones are little snake earrings. I figured this would be fun for a nice, like a fun little snake look and or for like Halloween. But I don't know how I feel about them. I don't like the color of the earrings themselves. I really don't know what possessed me to buy snake earrings, because usually I don't really buy like serpent things. I don't know if I'm gonna wear these though, but we'll see. So that's it for the earrings. I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys random other things that I got. I did get this freaking beautiful bracelet. I'm so excited about it. Look at that. It is an evil eye bracelet. I love that. I'm actually gonna put it on right now. I think this is perfect. You can actually wear it as like an arm kind of bracelet. You know how like they have those that you put like up all the way on your arm? This is like a really fun like kind of like arm one. All right, the next thing I got, I have no idea when I'm gonna wear this. I'm probably gonna like pin it on something. Oh, it came out. I'm gonna have to glue it back together. That's the thing with Shein and like their pearls and stuff. Sometimes you really have to like go in with like some extra glue to glue things in. But I got this really beautiful evil eye brooch. Truly don't know when I'm gonna wear this. I think I might put it on a beanie actually. You know how the beanies are? I might put this like right in the middle of the beanie. I think that would be so freaking cool. The next thing that I got, still along the lines of evil eye, I think I might title this video just evil eye jewelry haul because I'm freaking obsessed. I went ahead and I picked up these alligator clips, and would you look at that? They're all evil eyes. They're so freaking pretty. This is a gorgeous one. They just look like that. The next thing that I got is this really, really pretty necklace. Naturally, it's also evil eye. I love that. I really like that it's like super duper bright. Alright guys, so I had to take a little break. I had like the worst headache. I was literally feeling super lightheaded. So random. But anyways, let's get back into the video. The next couple of things that I got were rings, and I cannot wait to show you guys these rings. They are freaking beautiful. This is like a whole bouquet of flowers on my finger. Are you kidding? So pretty. I think I might have to wear it on this middle finger though. So beautiful. I'm obsessed. So some of their jewelry is hella cute, and some of their jewelry is just kind of like a miss. It's just kind of like, what is this even? Oh, I did order this. I know, because of course it has an evil eye ring. So I know this was mine. That's what it looks like. You for sure would not wear it like this, but I just wanted to show you guys all the different gems. I think I got it because I was really into like the different colored gemstones, but they are, I don't know, I feel like for me this looked kind of cheapy. I would hope that like my cheap jewelry doesn't look hella cheap, so there's that. Actually, you know what? I feel like all of their rings are kind of off. I don't feel like they're like that good quality like rings. Oh, I like this one though. Maybe this set is not, it's not that bad, but to be honest with you, I feel like if you're in the market for earrings, definitely check out Shein. But if you are in the market for like rings and stuff like that, I would skip Shein. I'm not that much of a fan of their rings. This set is really pretty. It just has like a little, this one's really pretty. It's like a little connected ring here. This one is gorgeous. This is actually like a charm ring. It has like a little evil eye. What else does it have? It has a star. It has a coin. Like, oh my god, the tiniest baby coin I've ever seen. And finally, the last item is this cute little keychain. I got it to put it on my keys. I actually have like a really big like key holder on my keychain, but I'm kind of over it at this point, so I just wanted like a normal keychain. It's a little peach, so I thought that was super duper cute. Just something to hold everything together, and it's not gonna take up way too much room in my bag, so love that. All right, you guys, so that is everything that I got in my Shein haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you guys go ahead and check the description. I will have everything that I purchased linked down below. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram if you are not already, and I will chat with you all in another video. See ya.